Hello, dear audience. This is Raza, and you are in my channel Science Innovation Tech or HT video. We will be covering the Excel functions. This is our fifth part of the video. We will be covering today the sum product function, sum square function, sum x y function, sum of x2py2 function, and sum of xmy2 function, and IMSUM, and series of sums. So we will be covering these topics in today's videos. So let's begin. As usual, the function start with the equal signs in Excel. So write the sum product. This is the sum product functions. Now the array 1. It could be many arrays, you can use many. This is second one. Bracket close, enter. So this is our result. So how it working? Actually it worked like this. I've written something here. Let me a little bit expand it. It's work the array first element multiply with the array second one. So how it working? Let me explain here. It work like this. Likes it work xy. So it's multiply the first array with the second one. If we could drag it, equal, this is 1474. So how it working? Here we multiply each array with each row with one another, and then we going to sum at the end. So it works like this. But in Excel function, you just write the formula. You don't need to do these things. You just write it. The second one is sum square functions. So how it working? Sum square function. In this case also you can use two number or you can use two array. This is one number. In place of one array I will take this one, and this is second one. So this is the, let me take this format down so that we could have the common that you guys could understand it. 26,851. How it working? Let me explain it. First is x square. Let me put here a symbol of square for you guys so that you could understand. Sum of x square, this, take a square of it. It is like down it. The same function we can use here, and it is sum these two. Put it here, so it will be like this. Now sum these two. Now see, 26,851. Instead of doing these 4 by step, you just need to write a formula and it will give you the whole result. Instead of doing these things, you just need to write a formula. Now the second function is SUMX2MY2. What is this? I have written something here in front of that one. It works like this. It takes the square of x, then it minus, then again take the square of y and minus from each other, and the result will be in front of you. How it working? Let me explain you. This is x square, this is y square. As in previous one, the second one is x square minus y, so it will be this, first one, this minus this. Take it down. Take it down, and sum it. Get the result. Now we can use the same formula here, is equal to sum x2my2 function. This is X array, comma, this is Y array, bracket close. See, this is 26,637. So instead of doing all these, you just write a formula and the result will be in front of you. The fourth one is SUMX2PY2. How it working? I've also written something in front of it. It was like that x square at the same time y square. If you add those two, it will give the result in front of you. You can do like this. You can do the equal size on the other side. So how it working? This is x square, this is y square. Now we need to sum. In previous one we have minus it. Now we are going to sum these two. This plus, take it down the formula. The sum is 26,851. So let's use it here. Sum x2p. This is first array, comma, this is second array, bracket close. See, 26,851. Same results. Now the big function that we have is SUMXMY squares. So how it working? It actually work this. It could minus x minus y, first array from the second one, and then it take a square of it. So if we take down, and then we're going to sum it. So it give us 23,903. But if you're doing all these things in formula, we just write this formula sum xmy2 square. So how the first array is this, the second array is this one, bracket close. Here we get the same results that we have here. Instead of doing all these things, you just write a formula and the result in front of you. So these are the functions that we are covering today video, that is sum product, sum square, sum x square my square, same m sum x2 pm py2, and the last one is this one. We also have another function, that is IMSUM and SERIESSUM. So in case of doing, I will give you the result, but it will be getting lengthy the video, so I'm just going to explain. So in mathematics we have a complex number. For complex number we use the complex number are representation of a plus b iota, as we know. So it works like this. The other one is series of sum. It work like these are the coefficient, and it work like the series of x and m coefficient. And how it working? This is initial value, this is a and x power n and going so on. It work like that. So these are the complex video. I will come up with these one in next one, so as the video are getting lengthy. So see you guys with next video with further more